Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. For tonight, into the day, tomorrow and Monday, we have quite a bit of a threat here of not only possibility of heat, but strong severe storms as well. So the Storm Track 7 yellow alert days for tonight, Sunday and Monday. For the heat, it'll be on Sunday and Monday. And for strong severe storms, that'll be tonight and then Monday afternoon and evening. And it's generally for all of eastern Iowa for the heat, strong severe storms, a little bit more localized. And we'll show you that here in a bit. First, let's talk about the heat. The dew points today, we're in the mid to upper 70s at times. And that's going to be no different for tomorrow and Monday, still in that mid to possibly upper 70s range. But then Monday evening through Tuesday morning, a cold front's going to sweep through and really drag that humidity down. Dew points will be in the low to mid 60s on Tuesday, and then by Tuesday evening, we'll be in the low 60s. Then Wednesday and beyond in the mid 50s, going to feel a lot more comfortable and almost spring-like or late spring-like. Not really feeling like July, which will be good news there. With that, we're going to have heat. Very hot heat. Well, heat is heat, so that didn't make much sense. But with that triple-digit heat index for Sunday and Monday, again, could be anywhere from 100 to 105 degrees. And then with that cold front dropping, that feels like condition to 20 degrees cooler, and that will continue, even get cooler even yet Wednesday and Thursday. So that's the heat part of things. And this weekend, I know there's a lot of fairs, festivities. We've got baseball tournaments, softball tournaments, whatever sporting events you have in those county fairs and festivals. So just be mindful of the heat and, of course, stay hydrated and just be aware of that heat. Now for the severe risk. So for tonight, it's mainly kind of in an area connecting New Hampton through Monticello to the north and to the east. We'll go a little bit in further detail in a bit. Sunday, maybe a strong storm chance during the afternoon and evening, but I think most of it is going to stay off to the north and to the west. And then for Monday, will probably be our best chance area-wide for strong to severe storms there for much of the KWWL viewing area. So let's first talk about tonight. So you can see pretty widespread across the upper Midwest. The best chance here in eastern Montana, southern North Dakota, and northern South Dakota. But for here locally, we're watching a showers and storm complex as we speak right now that is in southeast Minnesota and western Wisconsin. And some of that could make its way through, again, kind of connecting New Hampton to Monticello and then areas north and east, including the cities of Dubuque, Oelwein, Decatur, and Decorah, and of course their corresponding counties. The major threats are going to be damaging wind gusts first, maybe some large hail. Tornado chance is low, but it's not zero. I think it'll be anytime now through about the 4 a.m. hour, and then things will kind of taper off after that. Now on to Sunday. Again, most of the risk is going to be in for North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, and western Minnesota. Locally here could see some isolated strong storms, maybe an isolated large hail chance, isolated damaging wind gust chance. Tornado chance is rather low. This would generally speaking be during the afternoon and evening. I think the best chance of that would be north of Highway 20, but again, not a massive threat for Sunday. Then comes Monday. This will be the cold front that will be moving through the area, and you can see much of eastern Iowa in that, as well as Wisconsin, Illinois, and then parts of Indiana and Michigan. Locally here, you can see much of the area is covered. So basically connecting Waterloo through Cedar Rapids and through northern Johnson County, and for areas north and east, again, including areas like Monticello, Dubuque, Oelwein, Decatur, New Hampton, and Decorah. So with Monday's chance, the biggest question mark is going to be with that cold front moving through, are we going to be able to break the cap? Remember, the cap is an elevated kind of heat that sometimes can be broken and sometimes can't. If we get enough heating during the day and that cold front interacts with it and we're allowing to see that air rise, we could see some strong severe storms. But that cap might not be broken on Monday, so that's going to be something to watch. If it's broken, though, storms could definitely be on the strong severe side with how potent the environment will be. So here's future track. Again, we're watching these showers and storms to our north and to our west, and those will potentially make its way through our northern counties here over the next few hours. Then redevelopment is possible, and here's after midnight. You can see this line of showers and storms. And whenever you see this kind of bow shape, that has the potential of maybe having some gusty winds as well as heavy rain. So we'll be mindful of that. By 4 a.m., I think it moves out of the area there, and then maybe some stray showers and storms after that. But I think much of the day Sunday is going to be dry. Here's 1 o'clock, and you're going to notice, again, scattered showers and isolated storms. Maybe you could see some stronger storms at times. But again, for the most part, I think it'll stay off to the east and to the north in Minnesota and Wisconsin. And then through Sunday nights, it's going to be fairly dry and maybe a little bit of fog due to some light winds and just a ton of moisture to work with. Then during the day on Monday, we'll see the cold front start to approach from the north. You notice kind of capped right now. You can see storms approaching from the northwest, but still not quite getting here. But then once we get to the afternoon and evening, now you see that line of showers and storms. Again, this has it farther south where there's a little bit more sunshine and maybe more of that cap breaking. But any of eastern Iowa, really to the north and to the east especially, could be under that zone. So it's something to watch as we get closer to Monday and kind of see how Monday plays out, how that cap interacts. Then Monday night, I think that chance mostly wraps up. Maybe some lingering showers and storms. Then we'll have some sunshine for our Tuesday and really throughout the day on Tuesday. So again, stay weather aware these next couple of days, especially tonight and during the day on Monday for strong to severe storms. And of course, stay safe from the heat. So to recap here, tonight low temperatures in the low to mid 70s, very muggy conditions, possible strong to severe storms for our northern and for our eastern areas. During the day tomorrow, maybe a couple of isolated storms, otherwise very hot, upper 80s and low 90s for high temperatures. Peak heat index could be anywhere from 100 to 105 degrees during the afternoon. Your city by city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. So Tuesday we see some sunshine, low to mid 80s for high temperatures. And again, it's just going to be gorgeous after Monday. Tuesday, maybe a little bit muggy, but not too bad. Midweek through late week, going to be gorgeous. Mid to upper 70s maybe on Thursday. Low 80s for the weekend with plenty of sunshine and comfortable conditions. And really, we stay fairly dry with no rain chances there until the following Tuesday.